Mika, what are you doing? You look creepy. Oh. It's a lazy Saturday for Mika. Here, ready? Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Good job. Oh. No sidetrack there, eh? Why are you clawing at me for? Mika, hey, can you do some tricks for us? It's kind of boring right now. Can you sit? Hey, can you sit? Wow, good job. That's not quite a sit though. Mika, can you speak? Mika, speak. Oh, good girl. Can you sit now? No, eh? Oh, you're gonna speak again. Oh. What? Oh yeah? Pretty talkative, eh? Pretty lazy too. Mika! Hey! Don't ignore me. Hey! What are you doing? Can you speak? What? Speak! Good girl. What? Do you want to go outside? Who's that? Come in. Who's that? Who's there? Mika, who's there? Come in. There's nobody there.